Hi everyone, welcome. It's William from Team of Boutique Guitars, and I'm going to do a little update on a build I'm doing for Roger Williamson. It's an endorsement deal, and I wanted to give a bit of an update, just some of the things that I do that is unique and special to every build. And as you can see, I have a body here, and it's not finished. We're still in the midst of going through some things with it. It's getting a glazer bender. Joe Glaser bender is getting installed in this, so that's pretty exciting. And I'm working on the neck. I was doing some profiling, getting it matched to Roger's favorite Telecaster neck shape, contour. And so that's where I'm at. And so what we're doing special for Roger is, instead of just going with our double dots at the 12th fret position, we're going to be using his initials RW. Here, he selected his font, and I have different sizes to make sure it sits just nicely in between the frets. I'm using this really nice piece of African ebony, and it's going to be nice and solid. It's not going to wear out. He was concerned about wear, because if you've seen any of the photos of his Telecaster that he plays now, it's got a lot of wear on it, and so we want to make sure that it's long lasting. So as you can see here, we have the dot inlays already in place. Side dots are done, radiused and fretted. That'll be one of the next stages. But one of the things that I really love about the Sherwood Classic that I designed is that on the body, I created this cutout. And the reason why I created it, it was kind of twofold. It was to create a visual accent. And also, as you're looking at it straight on, you have this almost looks like you have a horn taking place. This one line here kind of continues on to the lower horn. And then it also, if you're playing up high in the neck, it gives you a little bit of more room for your thumb, and you're not hitting a sharp edge. And then you can really personalize it. And I have different brass etching designs that you can select from for customers that are looking for a special boutique guitar. But what's really cool is I decided to also carry the same pattern into the headstock. And you'll see I have it here again on the nose of the headstock. What I do is I just run my arc. I have a drop down. I route that out, and I apply it, and it creates a really, really nice feature on these guitars. I'm really excited about that. And we're taking it another step, obviously, because we're going to be doing the initials on his guitar. And we're also doing a logo with his initials, or his signature on the back as well. And then away we go. So I just wanted to give you an update on that.